A 1.3 pound copper paperweight contains how many copper atoms, given that 1 pound equals to 453.6 grams? All right. First of all, what we have here is £1.3 pound, a pretty big chunk of copper, and now we want to know how many copper atoms is in there. You can imagine this should be a pretty big number. You would have a lot of copper atoms in that. Well, how do we get that large number? Right now we don't have any large number with us. 1.3 is a regular small number. 453.6 is not that big either. Okay? We do have a large number that we can use whenever it comes to number of atoms or number of molecules, things of that nature. And that is the Avogadro's number. Because Avogadro's number says there are 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. This many of atoms, molecules, in this case we're looking for atoms, in 1 mole. This means if we can find out how many mole of copper that's in that paperweight, then we should be able to convert it very easily using the Avogadro number and getting the big number that we want. Alright, let's go. 1.3 pound of copper. First of all, the conversions that we have nothing to do with, in moles, have nothing to do with pound. We want grams. Pound is not going to work, so let's get rid of it. 1 pound, 453.6 grams of copper. Pound should be gone. And now we got grams. Okay, what else? Grams is not going to help us. We want moles. 1 mole of copper is how many grams? Well, let's check out a periodic table. Periodic table tells us 63.55 grams. Grams of copper cancel, turn it into moles. Now, each 1 mole. Why do we put mole on the bottom? Because what we want to get rid of it is this many atoms, 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. Let's see. Pound canceled, gram canceled, mole canceled. We got copper atoms. Okay. 1.3 times 453.6 times 1 times 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. Divide by 1, divide by 63.55. Okay, pretty easy calculation. Punch everything into your calculator in order and do your calculation. You find you get 5.588 times 10 to the 24th copper atoms. Consider that we started the calculation with only 2 sig figs. We can't end with more than that. 5.6 times 10 to the 24 atoms of copper. And that is the correct answer.